PICO does three things inside of the product right out of the box. It's available in all deployments. Number one, cycle time analytics. Right? How long did it take me to perform this step, this process, or even to build this product that goes through a series of processes? All of that information is readily available. It's automatically organized. We even separate out what is a rework versus standard build, deviations versus the norm, and then analyze it automatically so you can see exactly how many things you built and what it took for you to do so, as well as potential targets, what it could have taken you to produce it, with all the information necessary to do Kaizen projects or dive in and try to correct things. Over on the capital equipment side of the house, again, built-in function is how well did I use that equipment or that station? What was its uptime versus idle time, or issues and alerts that occurred. And then also in a high mix environment, which processes ran down that particular bench or that particular line. So you can see kind of how the mix impacts the utilization of the equipment. And then the third piece of the puzzle is typically, what we call track and trace, but the ability to understand, hey, for this serial number, show me everything collected for it. Who built it? Where did they build it? What version of the work instructions did they use? How many processes did it go through? How many people touched it? How many, quality concerns were raised during the build of it? How are those corrected? All of that plugs in. As long as you can identify the part either by a timestamp or a serial number or a lot code, bang, there's everything you could ever want to know about it. It's that foundational data that then we get to do a lot of really fun things on top of.